All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Justin Clark here, going to do a morning market analysis on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. As you're coming on here, if you want to just say hello, let me know where you're tuning in from. And then we're going to go through this here, pretty quickly and take a look at what the potentials are for the day in the crypto markets, and also look at what coins I'm looking at to trade with my strategy where we trade in and out on these crazy crypto coins. I've had a good start to the month. I'm up about $2,000 so far this month. So great start to the month. A lot of fun trading with the system. And I'll be doing these now live, these morning market analysis. And if you're watching this on Facebook or you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so you get these daily updates on what's happening in the crypto markets. Again, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I just look at what the possibilities are and what's happening in these markets. And this is something that, I do every single morning in iCoin Pro. It benefits our members, people who have our membership that use our system. They know what to look out for and when to be cautious, etc. So let's dig right into it. Hold on 1 second here. I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. Okay, great. All right, we are sharing now. So this is the iCoin Pro trading portal. For those who aren't familiar with it, this is our trading software that we have. It finds our trades, looks up everything for us, keeps track of everything. So it's an absolutely amazing piece of software. What we're going to look at this morning here is this, which is we're looking at Bitcoin right now on a chart. And this is a chart setup we have called the MA Momentum Setup. MA stands for moving average for those who are new. And these lines here, this purple line, this maroon line, gold line, green line, orange line, light blue line, and purple line are what are called moving averages. They are just an indicator that shows average price over larger and larger periods of time, okay? And you don't need to know how these things work, all right? You just need to know how to use them. So with this chart setup that we teach you, I'm going to give you the quick rundown. If we're trading above all of these, like here, this is the candles, this is the price action, we're trading above, that's positive, okay? That means we're potentially in a bull market. And the further that these lines pull away from, this is the price of Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin here at 67,000. Up to over 70,000. The further they pull away, the better it is, the more potential momentum is being built into the market. Now, opposite, this is a quick training for everybody. If we're trading below all of them, that's potentially a bear market. That means that we are definitely not in a bull situation, potentially, and we're in a bear market. And you can see back here, this was in 2022. We started trading below them, tried to get above them again, kept trading below them, and it led us all the way back down till we hit 15,000. Then and you can see they were pulling far, far away from the current price action. And then we were able to conquer them, rise above. And we got back up here to about 73,000. So where are we right now? Well, today we're in a super clear battle with 60,000. Okay, you can see this. The market has been bouncing on this 60,000 price. Every time we get down to around 60,000, the alts get really punished. And that's one thing about Bitcoin is that when Bitcoin moves, everything else moves, all right? So if Bitcoin starts to drop, all of the altcoins, almost without exception, go down. If Bitcoin starts to pump, then pretty much all the altcoins start to go up. We call Bitcoin, it's a big bully on these altcoins, but it gives us tremendous opportunity because we can watch Bitcoin, know what it's doing, and then based on what it's doing, we can trade the altcoins and make a lot more money, and I can show a little bit of that. So here's where we are right now. We really need to stay over 60,000. It looks like maybe today we're getting a little bounce after yesterday when Bitcoin got down and put pressure on 60,000. A lot of the altcoins really dumped down. I had some great trading on a couple different coins like SUI, USD, and other ones. So we got to really watch 60,000 right now, because that is a very, very key level. If we lose 60,000, then that could bring out more sellers, and it would mean that we lose some of these, moving averages. This purple line on the downside is kind of the last line of defense of a potential bull market. And if we lose that, then we can potentially go into a bearish cycle. Potentially, again, who knows? We can also bounce. These markets can do whatever. They can go down and then shoot right back up, as you can see, all right, as the market battles back and forth. But right now, it's pretty clear 60K could bring out some more sellers, which could also cause some of the altcoins to really, move down and provide some great trades for us, okay? And for anybody who's trading with the system. On the flip side, though, if we can keep this momentum going, okay, and we can start to move up to attack this purple line here. This purple line is what we call a downtrend line, all right? So you can see the price hitting here, and then it's straight all the way across, coming across here. We can even click on this in our software, and let's go ahead and make it a little thicker so you can see it even easier. This is the boogeyman for Bitcoin right now, this purple line. We need to get over this if we want to have hopes of moving into a higher trading range, okay? And if we can blast through this trading range with lots of volume, we could potentially look at moving a bit higher, okay? And even possibly taking out the all-time high back here of almost 74,000. And if we can do that with volume, this is volume down here. If we can do it with a lot of volume and momentum, the market might move into a higher trading range. That is completely possible. And we could see that 100K brass ring, gold, whatever ring that everybody's talking about and wants to get to. If we can't get through that again, that is going to be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It'll be like the 8th rejection at this line. And we can see that these bluish bands here are starting to squeeze in. They're called Bollinger Bands. The tighter that they get, the more that they squeeze in, the more we could see potential volatility and bigger movements. So, man, if we get up here and we get rejected again, and then we lose this here at about 56K, that could be bad. So anyway, for today, it's kind of business as usual for us. Again, keep an eye on 60K. If we get back to 60K again and put pressure on it, the altcoins could, even move lower and provide even more dip trades. People get scared when we get near 60K. It's a psychological and a technical area right there. So we need to keep trading above 60,000 and probably regaining about 63,000 and starting to trade above this purple moving average would be good. If we can actually get over 64,000, that would be even better and might give us enough momentum to try to head up and tackle this. On the flip side, though, man, if we lose 60K and then we get down and we challenge this, boy, the market could really react. If we lose this low right here, 50, that we got down to about 49.50, that would be really, really bad. But right now, one thing that we look at almost on the daily is the longs and shorts on Binance. And the reason we look at that is what a long is, for those who don't know, is people that are betting that Bitcoin is going to go up with leverage. And the shorts are people betting that Bitcoin is going to go down with leverage. So it's very risky trading, right? If the price starts to move dramatically, these longs or these shorts can get liquidated really fast. So right now we've got over 61% of people, we can refresh and update this. Yeah, about 61% of people who believe Bitcoin is going up from this level, and about 38% who believe it's going to go down, okay? We only use Binance because this other information, this is just not relevant at all. It's about the same all the time. Bitfinex was so old that everybody's long because people were long in Bitcoin and betting it was going up back when it was hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, right? So they're going to be long forever. Binance is current. We can rely on this information. We watch this for when either the longs or the shorts go over 70%. We start to get conservative or worried about what's called a squeeze, which is where if we have a long squeeze, it means everybody believes the price is going to go up for Bitcoin. You know, they're all betting heavy with leverage. And if it doesn't go up and it creeps down, they can get liquidated en masse and we get a big drop in Bitcoin's price. The opposite is true for shorts. If everybody gets overconfident on the short side and they're saying that it's going to go down and they're all betting it's going to go down with leverage and it gets over 70% there, then we can potentially see a short squeeze, which means the price dramatically rises for Bitcoin, okay? So again, do I know what's going to happen here? No, I don't, but this is the potentials. We got to stay trading above 60K to potentially keep the bull case happening. Reclaiming 63, 64K would be even better. And then, man, this is the target for the bull case, busting through this and then trying to go for the all-time high with great volume. A big green guide candle would probably send it, get people pretty excited, okay? Again, if we lose 60, below that is 56. And then we've got, 50K, obviously 52, 50K and downward. And we could start to propel downward. So we'll just have to see what exactly happens here. Last thing I'm going to cover here is my buddy coins for the day. So I'm going to come over to our buddy coin crawler software. So the way that this works, and I'll just show everybody this so you get ideas. Like we trade, and I'm going to flip my chart to a different chart layout. This is our regular layout that we trade on. You can see this trade that I did yesterday. Hold on, let me flip on over to it. This was a trade I did. You'll learn this if somebody shared this video with you, they can get you a free boot camp. You'll learn squeeze, and then this is a bubble, and you'll learn 1, 2, 3 money. Okay. This was one of the trades I did yesterday on this coin that was a buddy coin of mine. Did a couple buys here, sold it over here for a $315 profit on this one trade. I had multiple trades yesterday that I was trading just different coins. This was definitely my buddy coin yesterday. A buddy coin is one that I'm looking at trading a lot because it's moving really well and it has good volume. And if you come over to our software buddy coin crawler, all I have to do to see what's hot and what's going to be great for trading and making a lot of money. Yesterday was over $700 for me personally. I know our other traders absolutely killed it yesterday. This is where you go. And all you have to do is click this right here. And when you sort this column, it shows you the potential profit on all of the dip trades, which are these trades, the squeeze, bubble, 1, 2, 3 money, which you learn. And this coin right here is a potential profit of up to 8% on trades. Lots of 24-hour volume. So this is my buddy today. Bonk has been my buddy too. I've been trading that one as well. So Bonk USD and SUI USD are my two buddies. Probably if I had a third one, it would be maybe STX, probably that one as well. All right. So those are my buddy coins, definitely SUI and Bonk. I'm going to be watching those. And as the market moves, my software will crawl these markets. And what it does is it just pushes notifications to my phone once these coins, and I'll show you this so everybody can see this. Once these coins start moving, our software just goes ahead and it finds the trades for you. You don't even have to sit in front of your computer. It'll push you the notifications right to your phone and let you know what's going on. These are a bunch of the alerts that I get when the software starts finding things. So the trading portal is absolutely amazing. So that's what's happening for Bitcoin today. Kind of business as usual for us. Not what I would see as a high risk, quote unquote. Of course, anything can happen if a news event occurs. Anything can happen. But for the most part today, it's business as usual for our traders. And you just need to get in there, rock the dip trades on your buddy coins. There might be some different buddy coins on Binance. Which is another exchange that we have users trading on. But on Coinbase, definitely hands down, SUI, USD, and Bonk USD are going to be the coins I'm going to be watching rock some awesome trades on in and out. All right, take care, everybody. And again, if you have any questions, drop a comment on the video. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you're interested in learning about, iCoin Pro and our trading system for rocking these crypto markets in and out on trades and compounding your balance and your returns in a safe way, risk-averse way, you can get back with the person who shared this video with you. Or if you don't have somebody who referred you, or you're not sure who referred you, shoot an email to support@icoinpro.com. They'll help get you sorted out or matched up with somebody who's in your local area to get trading. Last thing, again, like, comment, and subscribe if you like this information. That way you'll get daily insights into these markets and what's happening right now. So take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day. And we will be talking with you soon. All right. Bye-bye.